Are you sure he's Jamaican? I mean, he doesn't even sound angry.
Yeah, that's true. He doesn't even shout like them other teachers. You know, they always say, "Hey, boy!"
And he say he doesn't smoke. Huh? Which Jamaican you know that doesn't smoke weed? Huh? Tell me that. He ain't even wearing dreads. He ain't got dreads. He's not wearing the Clarks. They asked him to sing a Vibes Cartel song.
Hey, Desmond, have you ever seen him in Jamaica?
No, I never seen it.
Desmond does not know everybody in Jamaica, stupid.
He can't even run fast.
You're gonna get us in trouble.
Is that Jamaican enough for you?
The bumboclaatbuzzer. For every time you need to be a little Jamaican.